Good morning, dear students. Students, we are doing chapter constructions, and all of you are requested to first complete your geometry box and make the construction by step. So, let's start. Question number second of exercise 11.2. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. Students, in this question we have to construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm. Students, first of all we have to make two circles which are concentric. Concentric circles are those circles which have the same center and having radius 4, and second circle is of radius 6 cm by using the same center. After that, we have to construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm. Students, रेडियस ऑफ 6 सेंटीमीटर सर्कल पर हमें एक पॉइंट लेना है और उस पॉइंट से हमें टेंजेंट्स ड्रॉ करने हैं टू अ सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस 4 सेंटीमीटर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Steps of construction. First, draw a circle of radius 4 cm with center O. You can see here O is a center, and by taking the radius 4 cm, draw a circle. And another circle we have to draw of radius 6 cm by taking the same center and of 6 cm radius. Okay, this is the second point. Draw a concentric circle of radius 6 cm with center O. Third is the mark point P on the larger circle, because we have to take a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm, and from this point we have to make the tangents on the smaller circle of radius 4 cm. Here you can see from this point P, OP, we have to make a perpendicular bisector. Students, हम perpendicular bisector कैसे बनाते हैं? आपको O पर pin point place करके draw an arc in the upward and in the same way in the downward direction, and similarly put your pinpoint at P and mark an arc in the upward and downward direction. These points must intersect. Now join these 2 points. In this way we make the perpendicular bisector. So students, in this way this perpendicular bisector intersects the smaller circle. Okay, and make that point Q and R. After that, join this PQ and PR. In this way we make the two tangents to the smaller circle. So finding lengths of PQ and PR. Now we have to find the length of PQ and PR. Join OQ and OR. Since tangent is perpendicular to the radius, we know that tangent is perpendicular to the radius. Here OQ is the radius and PQ is the tangent, and this makes together 90-degree angle. So we use here Pythagoras theorem. Thus triangle PQO is a right triangle and PO, radius of bigger circle, is 6 cm. Okay, and OQ is 4 cm. Yes, this is 4 cm and this is 6 cm. This is the hypotenuse, this is the perpendicular, and we need to find the length of PQ. By using the Pythagoras theorem, OP square is equals to PQ square plus OQ square. Put the value of PO and OQ. In this way we get PQ square is equals to 20. That is PQ is under root 20. By doing the factorization we get 2 under root 5. And we know that value of under root 5 is 2.236. By multiplying this we get PQ as 4.47 cm. Similarly, PQ is 4.47, so PR must be 4.4 cm. So students, in this way we have calculated the length of the tangents as well. So students, keep more practice, do this question. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the complete video.